This is the recording for CELS Post-Test 2019-2020. Very first thing that you'll need to do is type your email address right here. So your email address is your username, what you sign in with on your computer, and then the ending of that for your email is going to be @s.rs-wolves.com. You may copy and paste this right behind your username into the email address bar, and that is your email address for getting the results for your test. You do have that email address. You may just not have been aware of it before. Then you'll need to type your first and last name and then tell me what hour you have science by clicking the down arrow and then choosing first, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh hours, whichever hour that you have science.